everybody, and welcome back to Bidwell Canyon Farm. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit that like down below. Thanks, everyone. See you in the next video.
Would you just look at this beautiful site? Renogy high quality premium solar modules. 1, 2, it's all breaks. 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
With one little ripped tab. Oh my. Hello, beautiful packagery. You are such good girls. Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been a long time since I filmed anything regarding the tiny home. I'm sitting on top of the roof. I just hooked up the final connection to the photovoltaic array. And what we have is 8 100-watt panels. There's 4 in series over here and 4 in series over here. They combine into a parallel and go into the roof right under the ridge cap. I also wanted to point out the screened in 2-inch holes. I also have a radiant barrier below the metal. There is airflow down these ribs, so some air can get through. All right, we're inside the tiny home, and I was just finishing this roof insulation, and I realized I had not yet shown what was underneath. These are the core vents. These exit to the outside. They have a bug screen. Maybe you can see light coming through there, perhaps. Yeah, I think you can. And then I just have these as spacers to provide an airspace between the plywood and the radiant side of this stuff. And the very peak is a screened in hole opening for air to travel out. So this will breathe above these sheets. And every bay is the same. They have 2 screened roof vents in the peak and a core vent on those eaves. So that's pretty sweet. I'm really stoked to be done with it. Look how beautiful it is outside of this tiny home. So we've been making some progress, folks. Right now I'm just framing these kind of box end wall deals. So my roof sheeting has something to nail to here in the corner, and insulation, we can insulate these. Oh man, I sliced myself good. Ooh. Anyway, and then we can get our R15 rock wool, mineral wool insulation in these bays. I have an 1.5 inch poly ISO. Got our solar panel, inverter, charge controller, everything in under the bench seat in the front. We have our black iron truss conglomeration. We have all of our lights. And the whole downstairs I have insulated with the mineral wool insulation. Dun, dun, boom, boom. Woo, mannequins. The insulation is done. Good morning, everyone. We're in the tiny home. Just getting the final touches on the bathroom. Now the funny thing about this is I've got all these pieces cut, bent. I bent all this roof metal into the corner so the overlaps, there's no funny corner trim or anywhere water can get behind there, but none of it's fastened. I still need to add my Z metal on this PVC trim. I cased the window in this PVC. It's kind of has a little wood grain to it. You'll notice I have Tyvek ProTech, which is a roofing product I had left over from a roof job, as well as this white metal. This is all reclaimed. I've been storing it outside, so it does have a bit of, you know, crusty stuff on it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull all this trim out of here, get down to the bottom, and install this same white Z-bar on the baseboard and start from the bottom and work my way up, fastening everything as I go. Let's do this. snug fit. Oh, that's still real snug. Okay. Voila. You can hear it, but it's not obtrusive, you know what I mean? It's quiet and it draws air from the solids chamber through this little fan right here. Draws the air up and out the building through the pipe. So pretty cool. I'm excited to start using this off-grid toilet solution. All right, team, that is a wrap. Thanks for sticking around with me through this tiny house on wheels bathroom build. I really like how this metal turned out. I think it's really clean, it's bright. It was such a small space, anything darker would be make it feel too dark. So we wanted to try to keep it as light as we could. So the whitewashed cedar came out really cool, I think. The sink, toilet, we've got it all hooked up. We've got the dark oil rub bronze. Actually, it's matte black, I think. Matte black is our finish of choice for all the fixtures throughout the tiny home. So hopefully you liked the video. If you did, hit the thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you on the next one. Shaka bra, chop some broccoli.